In this video, I'm going to show you how to create class in Google Classroom. So all you need to do after installation is open the Google Class. I've done mine. So once you open it, these are the classes I've created. Then you go to this plus icon here, you click it. You're going to see create class. Then you need to accept these terms and conditions. So if you want to read, you can read further. So I will click on check and then I'll click on continue. So what you're going to do is the name of the class first. For example, I'm taking year 7 science. So I'm going to write it here, year 7 science B, because it's the second class. Then, so I'm going to say section 2. We are in section 2 of the study guide. Then subject, I'm taking then biology. So, and then the room is also important if you have broader class. Let's say you have class A, class B, class C. Let's say you have enough of students, so you can try to classify them or group them into groups. Let us say group C for now. It's not compulsory. Now click on create. So let's hold on. Okay, you can see right, this page is loaded to me, but let me do something. Let me go back to home so that you can see. So this is what you're going to see. Okay, so these are the older ones I've created before. This is for primary school examination students. So once you get this here, you click on this name here. This will take you back to this position. So here you have a code. Now this code is for students to join the class. If you click on this box, you can actually copy the link and send it to the student via their Gmail, or you can also, if you come to this part here, you can see you have another option at this 3 dots here. You can see copy class link, copy class code, reset class code, or turn off. Okay, so this is what you're going to use to invite your students to join to probably see the assignments. Or you can also use for online, but that's not for this tutorial. So this is the link you use to connect them to get access to the assignment you've given them here. So if you check out this heading here, you have the stream, you have class work, you have people, you have grade. So if you come to class, you click on create. I will click on topic. Let's say the topic is classification and species. Okay, so I will say add topic. We then come to, that's the topic I'm adding. Remember that under here I saw topic and I clicked it and then I assign this topic. If you click on these 3 dots, you have rename, delete, copy link. Fine, we'll come back to that. Then you click on this create. So you are creating an assignment. You put the title. So let's say the title is let me just say assignment 2 or 02, something like that. Then I'll put my instruction, maybe the submitting date or anything you want, you put it there. So before you attach your files, okay, let's go to attachment. You can attach your file through Google Drive. Even if you want them to watch a YouTube video, you can do that. Then if you click on create here, you can see now, this is where you can attach documents, slides, sheet, drawings, forms, anything you want. And equally, you can also upload. If you click on upload, it's going to open this page to you whereby you can upload files from your Google Drive. If you equally click on browse, once you click on browse, it's opening into your computer. Then you can upload through that. You can also upload through My Drive, and other means you can explore others later, but those are the compulsory ones. But before then, you need to come to this part here where you have year 7 science B, section B. Okay, if you click it, you see these are all the classes I've created or assignments I've given. Then here you need to decide a point. You can see, so now I'm going to go for 100. You can decide to do 10. Okay, let's do 10. So which means 1 to 10. Okay, and then you can insert in the due date. You can tell them when they need to submit the topic. Then you look at this one, topics. If you click on it down here, you can also create new topic here. But I'm not doing that since I already have this screen here already. Okay. Then if you come here, you can see assigned, schedule. You can either schedule if you want, but at the end, I'm going to click on assign. Like I've said earlier, there are other means, there are a lot of options here you can use to upload your file. If you click on this part here, this document, I think you need to follow another process, which I'm going to do in another video, but that's not where I'm going. My own file is already in a drive. So once I click the drive there, and then you can see these are all the files I have in the drive. Then I can click on this one. You can see it's uploading. That's it. Click on this down arrow here. The first thing we have here is what students can view only. Students can edit file, make a copy for each student. So I'm doing it because there are about 3 students I have. So I'm going to click on make a copy for 3 students. Okay. Then once I'm done, I'm going to, the reason is that so that it won't just be only one file you have uploaded that any other student cannot edit, you understand? So make a copy for each student, which means every individual have their copy to be submitted. Then once I'm done, I'll click on assign. Okay, so let's wait for the next page. You can see assigning. Great, it's done. So once you click here, once you're done, you click on year 7, that's the title of your class. You click it, so you're going to see the assignment given here. Then once you click classwork, you're going to see the topic. Look at the assignment you assignment. Once I click it, everything opens. So at the top here, you're going to see students that are turned in. Shows how many students are submitted and how many students you assigned the assignment to. And that's all about creating a class and create and assigning assignments. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye.